ka jingrakhe ya ka jingdap basan posnam lane ka jubilee siar jong ka kanhun ki nong shnong Karbi ki basong ki basa hapo ka jilla Meghalaya kabalatip kum ka all Meghalaya Karbi Association kalalong hapdeng ka pho ka phing bat ka jing i shong khya da ka jingdon jong ki paj ba Karbi ki balawan sikne ka jubilee da ki riam tenrai bat kum juru ka jingwan ra ya ka shat tenrai ka rwai tenrai ka tem tenrai bat ka jingi kran da ka khtin Karbi kabakham nang wanra shushu ya kapho kaphing kede ke Wanpoi jong Myntri Rangbah ke jela u konrad ke sangma kumu kongsan ubal Wanpoi ha kene ke jingarakhe jubilee siar jong ka amka da ka wanra ya ki artli ki ja Jingiarap sikne ke kanhon ka wei ke Jingiarap ka basan lak tengka nak banta ke jinglut jingsep jong ki program bat ka wei pat ke Jingiarap ka basan phau lak tengka nak banta bante ya ka cultural center nak banta banla banang penne pensa ya ke jinglong tenrai lengba ke jingdon jong ke center Hagani kesengi la senran ya u Myntri Rangbah ke jela da ki arngut ki MLA bat arngut ki MDC ke thany ki bakanthop ya u MLA ke Nongpoh constituency uba Meral Bonsim bat u MLA jong ke Mahti constituency uba Charles Marngar nangta uba isnei hing ubri MDC ke Umroy bat ke kong Rona Khamdeng ke badai ki MDC jong ke Nongpoh Shushu hene kesengi la dan langru u abi hijit kro ubri deputy chairman jong ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Dipu na Assam kentup ru ya ki longsan ki mansan jong ki rai beper bat ki paj Karbi ki balawan ban sakhi yegene ke jingrakhe ya ka jubilee siar jong ka all Meghalaya Karbi Association
would like to announce that I will be giving 50 lakhs for the cultural center to be built. We will see how it goes. And as we move along, if more support is required, I assure the President and Secretary and the Association, we will continue to support you. And we will give the necessary funds in order to be able to revive, to keep the culture, to be able to protect it, to be able to allow our youngsters to continue this culture, to learn, to practice, and keep that identity, which is what makes you Karbis. On 7th, we are having a program of the Sengkhasi. The Satsun Siem. Shatsuk Minsiam, correct. The Shatsuk Minsiam program is there on 7th. And that day, to develop the culture of the Khasis, especially the Sengkhasi, I'll be laying a foundation for a project more than about 15 crores, almost 20 crores, to develop the culture and the heritage of the Sengkhasi. In Smith area, again, for a very long time, in the Khasi tradition, certain practices, religious practices have been done. About 3-4 years back, I had sanctioned about 3 crores to develop that area where the particular ritual was taking place for many years. Many years, maybe centuries, but there was no infrastructure that was created. And so we have developed the infrastructure there, and we'll be developing it even more. For the Bedingklam festivals, we have it in different locations. We've been supporting there also in terms of creating infrastructure. We have sanctioned similar amounts for the development of the Wangala area. Some issue with land is going on, because of which we are not able to implement the project, but the project has already been sanctioned a year back. And therefore, in all aspects of culture, so it's not just that I'm announcing this today because I'm sitting here or standing here. I'm trying to share with you that this government has been very proactive when it comes to the cultural development and ensuring that the traditions of different communities are maintained, are preserved, and we're able to promote them also in the future. Our friends from the Karbi Autonomous Council are here. Mr. Abhijit, again somebody I've come to know very closely in the last couple of years. And I would like to thank him, also the CEM of the Karbi Autonomous Council. There are challenges. I don't deny that. There are differences. There are complications which have been there for many decades. Very difficult to resolve some of them. But while we work towards trying to resolve these very vexed issues, there can be an environment of peace, an environment of brotherhood, an environment of respect, an environment where we can live in peace and harmony. In spite of the challenges, and while we work to resolve them, it may take us maybe months or years. One cannot say. We are trying, but if it was very easy, it would have been done many, many years back. But in spite of these challenges and difficulties, in the last many years, in spite of the tension I get calls at 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, that some situation is happening somewhere along the border. I don't want to share all of those situations with all of you, but this is what we go through. But in spite of that, I've seen that there has been an effort from the Assam government, the Meghalaya government, and the Karbi Along Autonomous Council to see how we could at least work, maintain peace, and as I said, work in harmony with each other. I'm thankful to Mr. Abhijit, to my friend Charles. There is an area of difference where there are no schools. Children have to study sometimes in open, sometimes in somebody's house, sometimes under the tree. And because of the differences and complications in the border, they never had schools. No building ever in the last 52 years. It is Charles who came to me. He said, "Sir, can we give some school building to them from your Chief Minister's Special Development Fund?" I said, "I have no problem. But we have to take the KAAC and the Assam government into confidence and go ahead with the schools." One phone call I had with Mr. Abhijit, one phone call with Mr. Tuliram, and you won't believe it. In a matter of 2 minutes, we all agreed that the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund money will be used. We will work together to ensure that those children who have been deprived of a school for so many decades will finally get a school now. And today, those schools are being constructed. Those schools are being constructed. And like that, many areas where 5 years back, 10 years back, nobody could imagine that the governments would work together, would try to resolve the problem, would give the development that the people deserve. Today is being made possible. Yes, challenges are there. Yes, challenges will be there. Where is the world, where are we without challenges? But then it is up to us as leaders, as responsible citizens, to convert those challenges into opportunities, to see the pain that people go through every day, living in those areas with fear that anything can happen in the night. And my message to our CEM, and of course to the CM of Assam, is that the way we have been able to move forward today, not saying that things are perfect, but I can say that things are moving forward in the right direction. Let us continue. Let us continue to be committed to our people. Let us continue to understand the pain that people go through. And we, can be instrumental in bringing down those tensions and issues to a very large extent while we work towards resolving the border issue. And our commitment is there. Border issue is not a simple issue to resolve. Please understand.
Dengan sebenai kubeli kerpang, ya gitu ginong yalam kibalalit no sedien, kidon kibo blay ula sim no seledi, kidon kibadang don bat ngi hadu mentar. Kibalayai lenti ban penting kena. Bagi tu kimat kibapher, kijing kibujui kendu na kapor sekapor, ban long kum ke jingking, hapadeng jong ki perlok Karbi bat ke sorkar, lane bat ke district council. Hagi por ki beladep, ki ladan ki kep ki bakum kita. Abang juyo ban songkai bat i mahe doktor di lapang. I juyo tu syapang ke Jingiai lenti. Abang juyo ban song bat i ba BS teron. Bane bujuyo ban song bat i let Mr. Milsing makri. Ki belong ki nong yalam bat kiwi. Abjuyo bani songkai bani keren bani kenmau yang Jingiai lenti. Kamlong ke besuk. Nengi sub kemenpat. Bagol Meghalaya Karbi Association kelajam. Sinjam bandap san pausnem. Kadi kijing kemen nagamata kejung pi kejung ilang baro. Ngisak hilang ya kadi kesengi kebansa jing kenmau. Nagabanta jung pi bat jungi. Ki kun samla ki bi kibidan hakane kapor pide bensim bagane ki jubili haba pinmi nagane ki jaka haba pilit pai sigi ying ki sem ki Shillong ki thau ki unit ki jongpi pinra lem bat ka khubor ka jingi teli banlong kawe nang ni sakmat kalong ga bakong san hadu kata bahagano ka kenhun agano ka jaj bendriu ka jing teli kalong ga bakong san kidan sibun ki kenhun ki bala seng ki bala thung ki bala pat ki bala pratang siteng por kala abade ke jingi bisni kala abade ke jingi wok kejat kidan sibun ki dau tendring isau kemen pan baka All Meghalaya Karbi Association ka oi ni association ki bala peni yauso jong ke jingi teli kan long nganduk sa ka bahatam naga banta ki long kemi ki long pa ki bidan hakane ka por badhaga ju kerkom yagi khun samla khamtam ya galawe kaba pernai kaba pinsadan nang ne sakmat ngimla aban klet ya ki achievement layo aban pendon borom ki sengi ki bala dep ya gitu ki bala no senyang ki bala contribute kala aban de ki imlang salang kala aban de kum ki officer sarkar kala aban de khamtam ki jingila kai sports Bhoi District Sport Association ke baju mi khmat yagi kami lekai sport syaga jela nagapor ngiju seki ki babun ki atlet ki nong lekai ki baju wara ia kanam ke buram ia ke temri Bhoi ke jungi ki de ki perlok Karbi ha kum ki atlet bat ki wei ki cingi lekai ki besmat ki besting bat ki badan ka sap hadu kata Namar kata habi juyong kum kini kiran san ngaju kentui kun samla ke bi bakim de ban kinsting ba phinde ban long ke bi atli ki batristom ban ni kan mau i kun samla ka juk ka pementa ka di juk ka jong pi i kan mau i kentin ki jong wei na ki riu prakhat ki khrau prakhat jong ka ri ka jongi Swami Vivekananda ki kentin ki bo ong quote Arise awake and do not stop until you achieve your goal. Unquote. Yang George wanom song tan. Ya kun hado upinda poi shau thong jong ga jing jom. Ki kun samla ki bi ki mi ni Shillong bapher. Kum u we na gi nong mi khmat jong phi ka temri Bhoi. Kin don Ryngkat bat phi. Nagabanta ki issue lage de haka wat kam wat jam kum bala pen sngau menne. Dagi nong yalam ki besakmat jong ki association bapher kumno ban penting kena ba ki kun samla haga juk ke babenta ki bala nang ki bala stan kinwan sakmat kin tri sitom ban nagaliang ke jungi gini le kat bala menurut ban ong ban kular lut nadong sadong ban la ban penwiang tandi kat bala ngen persang ban pej ban penti kena ba kinla ban poi so thong ka bagi thumu kilong kemi kilong kpa ke bi ki bami ni kisnong ba pher ki basaki ban ngi man dagas ngi hang ne ki babun na peding jungi ki di ginong rap ngi lengba ki jing shat ki bi tenan menne bada bangi persang ban pej ki du jing shat ya gitu ki sinjam ki rekom shat ki bagi kun samla ki jungi ki lashat kelapen sonong rimbet hagar kom rep ke jungi giri gidong bat kitan kan no golong ko bi tenan bar bi melung hadu kata-kata ban ngi scam ba kung gi kimi gi kpa pi penang penstat ye gi khun gi ksiu gi jong pi diang da garam ga sha ga kamrep kamriang pi pelut nam te gi khun gi jong ban gi martin ban ong ba galwe ga ba pernai ka am na ga banta jong gi khun samla kham tam
Meghalaya pilodak Shillong le donon dak Nongpoh le donon Assam le donon kapre adim le donon setame nang li Karbi pu bangke nang li Chotiniri Karbi pu bangke Chotiniri nang li na hok le donon pirketa setak Karbi pu bang nang li Chotiniri setame lapen la da Karbi tumbang Karbi pu nang li tum Chotinini nang li tum Christian pu tame Hongari petame ko kaprek tu mesa nang litum Karbi po bang Chotiniri la bangke nang litum dak mesen lo klem pamekano la bang ili tum pindeng sompot pen chenglok dak ili tum humupen akekana bang theglong lo Karbing long pen dak ba sap su prekchet akekana bang setame nang litum dak kedo kethek abang mate pindeng sompot abang nang litum nang pawir piperiat mate Karbia pindeng sompot po bang kai ketame kacorai kom pu bapok nang litum apat name nang curo parpik lo labang ke ilitum ilitum Karbia ilitum ke khai kang thim ilitum ke ipindeng sompot penceng lo elami ki lun tomo penceng lo ilitum ke kaduk kawe pilo chok lim sido ilitum ke lasi ilitum chotini nang nela pen Karbing long pendak Meghalaya akar betum ilitum kai kita melitum timisen ning lepen cirap cetu wer nangi hadak Karbiang long pula pendak Meghalaya border a problem ta dupik sidame nili penana dim dam lo je border a problem ka pasovia pan ilitum Karbing long CM sar tame nili panang pinkhat pen Meghalaya chief minister lo antame nili cetong dam lo lapen mawatia MLA alang li pendame nilitum kaike tame border along suluk soda kapa wede dia phan borilo nang litum yong si dak kasik sak lo polte nilitum Karbi along akar bia tum tame kasik sak ateng lo nang litum yong si dak kupine a problem ke po nang li vi bude polte nilitum awi taki buoteng lo hadake dak nilitum kaike tame nang litum phan nang cerai kom dunji nang cilang duin lasi dodun thak pilo dodun paimenon thak dun paimekanon border problem don pustrame niltum kapasofi fansi niltum Meghalaya government pen Karbing lo government discuss for niltum insam jin pen kapadoi fansi nilitum nang bori pidun pola bangke lapen dak isi nili kacuning ritekanye bangke la pulo nang litum rong rupta mesen ingtirgir silapen isi bangke Karbi tungke arleng deng apot tahun nolong bangke dudun we dag rong si nang dudun lasi kedo ketak cilang pamekanon lapen aja tum pupu penana tum pupu Karbi tungke lupik pu nang litum mate ilitum Karbi tum lule ilitum Karbi tungke kaselet selet bang selet pik lasi Meghalaya lang kedo Karbi tum selet rikam coklem lonang dolonang hak pamikan lona selet ri de banga adim sik dodun pot ilitum selet nang ni kam claim pamikan lona ka selet lo plote cumo wedet po de lasi nang litum kupipilone Karbing long pen nang kirap na yana a hormu jong si do pulo pote meeting judet nang cetongo nilipan nang cingkino nili Karbi long Autonomous Council asiam sarpan name nang litum kopi makannya sonan nili nang cingki pidampo lapen hada Karbi Autonomous Council long pusutame ilitum khasia korti atumapan board chairman pen chenglok ilitum kaprek sakuri putame pi pon bomdo humu tame dak klang lo MEC ki pinangi alam lasi MEC ki pinangi alam bangke nilitum Karbi Autonomous Council pen Meghalaya government ang bong chingwai pa meka pen nang litum kaddu ko werat pen chingwai pen nilitum la suat problem la bangke mate MEC Karbi ang bong mongta MEC dodunangi putame nilitum Meghalaya government pen abang nang chingwai dunpo la bangke
Kini kikor komputer kiba internet bador badar ni di hajan jongpi hangne hadukan jongi han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex Harishan Enterprise haka kamera kaba shispa iway refurbished laptop but desktop phun hau number pra iway layar not sau pra sansau lane pra lainyo arnyo sawar drunyo Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pranyo laiwei khandai hendriwei arnyo lai